Hello and welcome back to Makers Creating. My name is Regina and I am so happy to bring to you another video that is going to have budget friendly Valentine's Day gifts. So if you want to see me put these together, keep watching. Okay, so let's get started. So in front of me, I have several containers. All of these containers came from Dollar Tree. I love this heart-shaped one. It is actually a candle holder, but I'm gonna do something different with it. This is like a little gift box, like a little for a wine glass that you could put in here. But again, I'm gonna do something different with that. I love these little tins, and don't these hearts look so cute on it? This is the craft jar. This is going to be really cute how I put this together. I saw these and fell in love. The gold and silver at the bottom. Oh, I am so excited about that. They had these in a pack of 3. I actually purchased these last year, but I'm so excited to use these again because they're perfect. And then this is another candle holder, but as you know, I won't be putting a candle in it. I'm going to be making a little gift to put in here. And so these are all my containers. I have a balloon. I have pipe cleaners. I have some of the they're like little skewers, but I broke them in half. I have roses. I have my ribbon. I have tissue. I have some decorative shred. I have loot bags. I have some heart picks, a variety of different candies, the little minis. And as I've stated in previous videos, the main thing you want to do is have your colors coordinated. So let's get into the first gift. So I have started making the little gift set. I'm using the heart candle holder and I'm placing the artificial flowers in now, and I will be putting some the heart picks and some candy in. I just speeded this up so that the video wouldn't be prolonged. As you can see now, I'm just cutting off the ends of it so that it won't be so long. And it's like a little flower bouquet. You'll also see me put some candy in there also to really accent it. And again, this is a candle holder, but I made a little bouquet out of it. This whole thing here only costs about $5 to make. Here I had a little tub. I'm putting in some tissue, and I have the decorative shred, as you can see me doing now, putting that in. I got the little teddy bear. I didn't show that. And I have some little heart chocolates that I put in there. So it's like a bear in a tub. That's about $4 to make. Here's the wine bottle holder. I'm putting some shred in there, but I also normally put candy in there also at the bottom. So when the recipient opens it up, it has the roses at the top, the balloon, and it'll have candy in there also. And I just put some little decorative tissue paper and I put a bow around it to just give it some decoration. Here's the little glass candle holders that have the gold and the silver at the bottom. I used the red and silver shred for the silver one, and the red and gold shred for the gold, the one with the gold at the bottom. And I'm just putting in some decorations. I'm making the bow to go around it. I accidentally in this video put the gold and red around the wrong one, but it really should be either red or red and silver for the silver one. And if you want to see me make bows, just put a message in the comments and I would be happy to do that. These little gifts are really easy to make, really simple, very budget friendly. I didn't make the gold one on camera, but I'll show you what it looks like later. This is the other candle holder. I'm just kind of cleaning up my mess because then it makes it easier for me to work. Got some tissue. I have some shred that I put in there. I put some of the little hearts in there. Then I'm just placing the candies in there. I put one of the heart picks in the middle of it, along with one of the artificial flowers that also. And there you have it. There's the tin. I love the tins. I do so much with them for all holidays because they are so easy to use to make really nice little gifts. I did a little something different with the bear after the fact, but right now that was another little gift I thought of with the bear inside of that little top that came from the wine glass holder. I just thought that was really cute. And you could still get that as a gift. So now I'm working on the little tin gift set. Put the tissue in. I have some solid color red and some decorative tissue that I have put inside, and now I'm just filling it with different items. So I have the little miniature candies that I'm putting in there now. And these are quick little gifts. You can give these, you can give these to anyone, kids or adults. These are very basic little gifts to give out for Valentine's Day. I do more detailed gifts and I'll do videos to show you as I'm making them, because I do sell a lot of baskets for Valentine's Day. So you'll see how I make those. And here are the finished products. I did redo some of them. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can know every time I upload a new video.